Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install the LED lights in the interior. So let's see. Alright, this is the kit that I have to replace all the interior lights by LED lights. This is here we have the map, dome, license plate, cargo bed, vanity mirror, door lights, footwell and glove box. It comes also with a tool and all these LED lights. Here is something that I didn't expect it. It's like a warning related to the key fob. Sometimes it says that sometimes it causes issues with it, but at least they provide support on that scenario, so I hope it doesn't have any issue with that. If the LED light doesn't work, probably is inverted, so the only thing you have to do is just to remove and install it in the other direction, and that should work. Let's start with the footwell light. For that one, there's a small light here, and I'm gonna use this. And make sure you don't, apply too much pressure on, because you can break the light. If you think necessary, you can disconnect the battery of the truck, just to make sure if you break it, you don't cause any short. Alright, this is the factory one. And this is the new one, the LED light. Okay, let's replace the vanity mirror lights. Just some bottom section. Let's install now the LED light. It is one way to install it. This is the way, because in the back side there is no light, so make sure she's into the front direction. Okay. Okay. To make sure it is perfectly aligned to the front. Yes. I like it. Let's insert the outside first, and then remember to be careful, because these lights can be hot. Okay, I just place the other side back. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks great. Okay, to replace the map light, the only thing that you have to do is to insert something in the left side here, where you see like a holder. If you don't have a tool like this one, you can use like a card, basically. Remember, it must be a debit card. No, I'm just kidding, it can be any card. So you just insert in the side and make some pressure and pull it back, and that's it. It's tricky. I cannot apply too much pressure because I can break the light. So this is how you can take out. Okay, to install the new LED light, just this is the new LED light. And just insert it there, and that's it. Okay, so now install the first side first, insert all the way to the front, and then push it from the back side. So that's it, very simple. Now turn on and turn off. Let me compare it with the other one, so that's the difference. Okay, now let's repeat the exact same procedure to replace the remaining lights. Okay, so far we have installed the map lights, we have the vanity mirror lights, and the footwell as well. So I ordered the reverse lights separately, because I didn't find any kit that has all the lights that I need. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create another video where I will be installing the license plate lights, the cargo bed, and also the reverse light that I ordered. I'm still waiting for them. Okay, in my case, I'm not gonna use the door lights, and I'm gonna use the glove box because I don't have it. The dome light, I don't need it because this is the 1794 edition that comes with the DVD unit, and it already has LED lights on it. So that's basically what I'm not gonna use. Well, this is the end of this video. If you like it, hit that like button below. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing many other modifications. If you are interested on see those, I'll hit that subscribe button below. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.